About 9.4% of the world's population is affected by acne, which makes it the 8th most prevalent disease in the world. Alarming, right? The simplest form of acne affects about 90% of adolescents, appearing as red or white pimples and blackheads that can leave temporary scars on the face, chest, and back. Almost all of us get acne at some point in our lives. But did you know that you could use aloe vera gel to heal acne? The extract of aloe vera is often used to heal minor rashes, cuts, and sunburns, and is equally effective for acne. During adolescence, the oil-producing glands in the skin produce increased amounts of sebum, the oily secretion that protects and lubricates the skin. Acne occurs when sebum blocks the sebaceous ducts, forming a plug. Then bacteria on the surface of, or just beneath the skin, starts to proliferate. Aloe vera is a tropical plant with leaves that produce a clear gel. In this video, we will show you why aloe vera is a good treatment for acne and 2 ways to apply it. If you're new on healthy habits, you should consider subscribing so that you will receive a notification whenever we put a new video online. Aloe vera contains lupiol, salicylic acid, urea nitrogen, cinnamon acid, phenols, and sulfur, all of which inhibit bacteria that might cause pimples. When applied to the skin, aloe vera gel has been shown to help fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promotes wound healing. Aloe vera also promotes collagen synthesis and helps in fast healing of wounds and scars. This property is beneficial in healing acne scars. If you have mild to moderate acne, you can also use aloe vera gel for healing. Here is how to use aloe vera gel for acne. Cut the aloe leaf and scoop out the transparent fleshy part with a spoon. Apply the aloe vera gel on your face, focusing on the affected area. Leave it overnight, rinse it off in the morning, repeat every day until the lesions heal. You could also use aloe vera and lemon juice. This is how you apply it. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Apply it to the affected area or the entire face. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it off. Do this for 3 days. Those are the 2 ways to apply it. But watch out. There may be some risks associated with the use of aloe vera. You should be aware of them. Although rare, some people may develop an allergic reaction to aloe vera. Signs of an allergy may include redness, a rash, or swelling. If symptoms occur, stop using aloe vera. If a person is worried by their symptoms, they should consult a doctor. Many methods of using aloe vera include combining it with other ingredients. These ingredients could cause an allergic reaction on the skin. A person should stop using an ingredient if they notice any skin irritation. To conclude then, aloe vera is a relatively safe and potentially effective way to treat and prevent acne. There are several methods of using aloe vera at home, and 1 or more treatment options may be effective. If you live with severe acne, you may still want to consult a dermatologist.